Lil Rhymes Kids TV.
Let's go on a journey, come with me. We'll count the things that we can see one by one. Let's start today. Counting numbers, hooray, hooray, hooray. One little rabbit hopping on the ground. Two bright birds flying all around. Three little kittens playing with a ball. Four big elephants so they're tall. Five funny monkeys swinging in the trees. Six buzzing bees floating on the breeze. Seven fish swimming in the stream. Eight cute puppies chasing a dream. Nine big ducks waddling just fine. 10 twinkling stars, oh how they shine. Count, count, 1, 2, 3. Come along and count with me. Jump so high, spin around. Numbers are fun, let's make a sound. 10 big waves crashing on the shore. Little empty shells, let's find some more. 12 bright kites flying up so high. 13 fluffy clouds in the sky. 14 butterflies fluttering near. 15 clapping hands, give a cheer. 16 footprints in the sand. 17 castles, aren't they grand? 18 apples red and bright. 19 stars twinkling at night. 20 dancing feet step left and right. Count, count, 1, 2, 3. Come along and count with me. Jump so high, spin around. Numbers are fun, let's make a sound. Count, count, 1, 2, 3. Come along and count with me. Jump so high, spin around. Numbers are fun, let's make a sound. 10, 20 tap the knees. 30, 40 sway like trees. 50, 60 stomp the ground. 70, 80 spin around. 90, 100 shout hooray. Counting numbers every day. Let's count up, let's count down. Let's count numbers all around. Clap for 1, stomp for 2. Wait for 3 now, knack a cat 2. Jump for 4, wiggle for 5. Count to 10 and feel alive. Count, count, 1, 2, 3. Come along and count with me. Numbers big and numbers small. We can count them all. Now we know our numbers right. Counting morning, noon and night. Keep on